Hello students, I Jay Khatri from Macrovision Academy, Burhanpur. Today we are going to start second chapter of computer, that is functions and formulas in MS Excel. In this video, I will explain you some basics of MS Excel. First of all, I will explain you what is MS Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze numerical data. A spreadsheet is a collection of columns and rows that form a table. Alphabetical letters are usually assigned to columns and numbers are usually assigned to rows. Excel operates like other Microsoft Office programs and has many of the same functions and shortcuts of the other MS programs. Overview of the MS Excel screen. Microsoft Excel consists of workbooks. Within each workbook, there is an infinite number of worksheets. Each worksheet contains columns and rows. Where a column and a row intersect is called the cell. For example, cell B6 is located where column B and row 6 meet. You enter your data into the cells on the worksheet. The tabs at the bottom of the screen represent different worksheets within a workbook. You can use the scrolling buttons on the left to bring other worksheet into view. Workbooks and worksheets. Each Excel file is a workbook containing one or more worksheets. Default setting provides you with 3 worksheets, but you can add or remove as needed from there. Worksheets can also be recorded within the file and renamed. You can also copy or move a worksheet to another workbook. Several sheets can be used for one project, containing it all in one file. Or you can still use one file for each part of project. Actually, it is depending on your needs. Now I will explain you how to create a new workbook. When you start Excel, you will see a new blank workbook, that is book 1. You can begin typing in that workbook or choose to create a new workbook. To create a new workbook, go to File menu and choose New option. Your workbook will be created. Or you can use Ctrl+N shortcut key for creating new workbook. Now I will explain you how to save an Excel file. For saving an Excel file, you have to click on File menu, then click on Save option. The first time you save a workbook with any name, you will be in the Save As dialog box where you will enter the name of the file. Or you can use Ctrl+S shortcut key for saving an Excel file. Now I will explain you how to open an existing workbook. First of all, you have to click on File menu, then click on Open option. Then you have to choose Excel file which you want to open. Then click on Open button. Your file will be opened. Now I will explain you how to close a workbook. For closing a workbook, you have to click on File menu, then choose Close option. Your workbook will be closed. Cut, copy and paste in Excel. Cut option is used to move data. Select a cell, then click Cut on the ribbon. Click where you would like the data to be. Then click Paste on the ribbon. Or you can use Ctrl+X shortcut key for cut your data and Ctrl+V shortcut key for paste your data. To copy data, select a cell, then click Copy on the ribbon. Click where you would like the data to be. Then click Paste on the ribbon. Or you can use Ctrl+C shortcut key for copy your data and Ctrl+V shortcut key for paste your data. Now I will explain you how to print an Excel worksheet. For printing worksheet, you have to click on File menu, then choose Print option. Or you can use Ctrl+P shortcut key for printing your worksheet. Freezing rows or columns. When you need to keep the top row or left column in view as you work with a large amount of data, you can freeze it so it's always visible on the screen. Following are the steps to freeze rows or columns. Go to View menu, then choose Freeze Pane. Select either Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column. To unfreeze rows or column, you have to select Unfreeze Pane from View menu. Formulas. Excel can handle calculations. Excel uses formulas to perform calculations. All formulas begin with equal sign. Functions make complicated formulas easy to use and they can be placed into formulas. The most common function is sum, which calculates a list of numbers. Functions are already exist in MS Excel, like sum, if, etc. So dear students, I hope you understood the basic concept of MS Excel. In next video, I will explain you some common functions and formulas which are used in MS Excel. Thank you.